Afternoon everyone. The video which we are going to shoot today is about mobilization of society for school infrastructure and for spreading social awareness among children. As we know that social mobilization is the process of bringing together all societal and personal influences to raise awareness of any issue. Social mobilization aims to facilitate change through an interdisciplinary approach. It is a powerful tool to address injustice through community engagement and grassroots-led actions. It ensures that priority is to be given to social concerns, not to the individual needs. Now, being the part of the society as a teacher and as first officer in an Koi NCCJD Sainik School Rewa, what is my role for social mobilization? I would like to mention here point by point. First of all, in NCC, we have been conducting lectures on the topics Say No to Plastics, Blood Donation, Ready to Beat Malaria, Swachhata Pakhwada, book donation, and so forth. At the same time, those cadets who have been participating in these activities, we are displaying their photos in the photo galleries just to motivate others, so that those cadets who are not coming forward, they could participate in these activities. Not only this, we have also been conducting rallies on these topics as the regular intervals, particularly in NCC parades. I have also been conducting Shramdan individually and with the help of NCC cadets on various occasions like Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and so on. I have also been participating with the students in plantation drive on various occasions like World's Environment Day, One Mahotsav, and so on, to preserve the local environment. I have also been participating in Independence Day run organized by District Administration Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, along with the students to give different messages to the society. I have also been conducting rallies on saving girl child and other social issues from time to time along with the students. What I have experienced as a teacher from these programs, we must stand with the society. Therefore, as and when I get the opportunity, I participate because I think that we should learn to give to the society, not to remain prepared all the time to receive from it. That is, instead of receiving from the society, we should always try to give it to it, whatever we can give to our own capacity. The community is seen as the best judge of its own problems, and to have the ability to undertake appropriate action to solve these problems, we must always remain prepared. This is one of the best platforms where a number of issues can be dealt easily. This is a kind of strategy for community development where the importance of community participation is acknowledged. A lot can be achieved when people from different parts of the community share a common goal and actively participate in both identifying needs and being the part of the solution. Community mobilization helps to empower communities and enable us to initiate and control our own development. It teaches us our societies. Development is our own development. That is, whatever we are giving to our society, we must try to consider as it is our own development. To conclude, I can say that by conducting rallies, by delivering lot of lectures on the burning issues like Say No to Plastics, Blood Donation, Ready to Beat Malaria, Swachhata Pakhwada, book donation, and like other topics, I have been contributing in this field, that is mobilization of society for school infrastructure and for spreading social awareness among children. Thank you very much.